Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal in Nigeria to receive money. First, understand that direct PayPal transfers to Nigerian bank accounts are not supported for receiving funds. We need to explore workarounds, allowing you to access money sent through the platform. These methods involve using third-party services or virtual accounts, ensuring your transactions are safe and accessible. We will cover the most effective strategies today. Many users find that while their Nigerian PayPal account can send payments and make purchases, receiving funds is a different story. This is a significant limitation, especially for individuals and businesses expecting international payments. If someone sends money directly to your Nigerian PayPal email, those funds typically remain inaccessible for local withdrawal, creating a clear need for alternative solutions. We will now look at practical ways to bypass this. One effective strategy involves using a reliable third-party intermediary service. Platforms such as Payoneer allow you to set up virtual bank accounts in countries like the United States or the United Kingdom. You can then link this virtual account to your PayPal, receiving funds there. Once the money arrives in your virtual account, you can initiate a withdrawal directly to your Nigerian bank account, usually within 3 to 5 business days. Another excellent method involves setting up a virtual debit card or a dedicated virtual foreign bank account. Several fintech companies offer virtual US dollar or euro accounts, complete with account numbers and routing details. You can link these virtual details to your PayPal account, making it appear as though you are receiving money into a foreign bank. From this virtual account, you can then easily transfer funds to your local Nigerian bank account, often incurring minimal fees.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.